That's the kind of man that they're trying to say is a monster and is trying to take away from his unborn kid.
In 2019, Vanessa Fulcher said she and her husband, Curtis Fulcher, traveled to Orlando to deliver a cell phone he was trying to sell online. That's where the couple was confronted by 18-year-old DeAndre Florence and 16-year-old Denham Williams. Authorities say the teens were responsible for multiple robberies in the area and were about to strike again.
So he's going under his shirt for his waistband as he's snatching the phone.
Vanessa Fulcher told News 6's Eric Von Anken that she and her husband feared for their lives. So Curtis Fulcher grabbed a gun, according to investigators, and began firing at the teens. Florence got away, but at least one bullet struck 16-year-old Williams, killing him.
We went to go sell something online, and so he robbed us, and then my husband was like trying to protect us, and he ended up having to shoot at them.
Although authorities acknowledge Fulcher was a robbery victim, prosecutors charged him with manslaughter, a first-degree felony punishable by up to 30 years in prison. Fulcher's attorney later filed this motion seeking immunity and dismissal of the case. The defense cited Florida's Stand Your Ground law, which says a person is justified in using deadly force if he or she reasonably believes such force is necessary to prevent imminent death or great bodily harm, or to prevent the imminent commission of a forcible felony. But Circuit Court Judge Diego Madrigal has ruled that Stand Your Ground does not apply in this case. According to the judge, video from a neighbor's doorbell camera showed Fulcher running behind Williams before the gunshots were heard, and evidence shows the teen was shot in the back. The defendant got out of his car and chased the decedent, shooting at him and eventually killing him, the judge wrote. Perhaps if the defendant had shown self-restraint and fired only one shot while in the vehicle, this motion would be granted. The defendant instead engaged in vigilante justice after a forcible felony had been committed. Fulcher originally pleaded not guilty to manslaughter, but now, perhaps due to the judge ruling against his Stand Your Ground motion, Fulcher is scheduled to change his plea in court next week. Mike DeForest, News 6.